Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to replace your Nissan Pathfinder's engine air filter. This is a straightforward maintenance task that you can easily do yourself, saving you time and money. First, make sure your vehicle's engine is completely off and cool to the touch. You won't need any specialized tools, just a new air filter and perhaps a microfiber towel for cleaning. Let's get started with locating the air filter housing. Now, open your Nissan Pathfinder's hood and use the prop rod to hold it securely in place. Look for the large, black plastic box, usually located on the passenger side of the engine bay. This is your air filter housing. You'll notice 2 to 4 metal clips or fasteners around the edges of this housing. Simply disengage these clips by pulling them outwards or unfastening them to prepare for opening the airbox. With the clips released, gently lift the top half of the air filter housing. You can usually pivot it slightly to gain access. Now, carefully pull out the old, often dirty, air filter. Take a moment to inspect the housing for any leaves, dust, or debris and clean it out thoroughly. Then, take your brand new air filter and insert it into the housing, making sure it sits flush and securely in its designated spot. Once the new filter is in place, carefully realign the top half of the airbox housing. Press it down firmly and re-engage all the metal clips or fasteners until they are securely latched. Finally, remove the prop rod and gently close your vehicle's hood. Replacing your air filter regularly, about every 12 months or 20,000 miles, significantly improves engine performance, boosts fuel efficiency, and extends engine life. Great job!
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.